The tiny helpers behind chocolate's rich flavor. The tiny helpers behind chocolate's rich flavor. Ever wondered what gives chocolate its unique and delicious taste? While the cocoa beans themselves provide a starting point, a remarkable collaboration with microbes, specifically bacteria, is responsible for much of the complexity we experience. This isn't a new discovery. Scientists have long recognized the important role microbes play in fermenting foods, but recent research has shed new light on the subtle ways these tiny organisms shape chocolate's flavor profile. The fermentation process, a microbial masterpiece. Chocolate's journey from bean to bar begins with fermentation, a process that happens after the beans are harvested. These beans are initially bitter and relatively bland. Farmers pile the beans into heaps or place them in boxes, where they are exposed to naturally occurring bacteria and yeasts. This is where the magic happens. The naturally present strains of bacteria, often Lactobacillus and Acetobacter, begin to break down the sugars in the beans, producing lactic acid and acetic acid. This chemical change lowers the bean's pH, altering its composition and starting the foundation for its development of distinctive tastes. Lactobacillus bacteria are particularly impactful as they convert sugars into lactic acid, which contributes to the characteristic tang found in high-quality chocolate. Acetobacter, meanwhile, transforms alcohol produced during fermentation into acetic acid, adding a vinegar-like note that also impacts the taste. Uncovering the microbial diversity in chocolate. Microbiologists are increasingly using advanced tools to understand the specific types of bacteria involved in chocolate fermentation. Recent research has shown that the microbial communities found in chocolate beans are incredibly diverse and can vary significantly depending on factors like the region where the beans were grown, the way they were processed, and even the weather. The variety of microbes present has a dramatic effect on the final taste of the chocolate. Different bacterial strains produce different acids and compounds, resulting in a wide range of flavor notes. For example, certain microbes can enhance fruity notes, while others contribute to roasty or nutty flavors. This highlights that chocolate's flavor isn't solely determined by the cocoa bean itself, but also by the complex interactions within the microbial ecosystem. Why does this matter? Understanding the microbial fermentation of cocoa beans has significant implications for the chocolate industry. By carefully controlling the fermentation process and selecting for specific bacterial strains, chocolatiers can consistently produce chocolate with desired flavor characteristics. This may involve employing techniques to cultivate and inoculate beans with particular cultures of bacteria, similar to how yogurt or beer are made. Furthermore, this knowledge is beneficial to farmers. It allows them to optimize their fermentation practices to enhance bean quality, boosting crop yields, and improving the overall taste profile of their chocolate. The research also informs sustainable practices, as some bacterial strains can degrade toxins often found in beans. A vegan perspective. Interestingly, the role of microbes in chocolate fermentation is relevant for vegan consumers. Many processing aids used in the chocolate industry are derived from animal products, but understanding microbial processes allows for the development of entirely plant-based alternatives. Ultimately, the rich and complex flavor of chocolate is a testament to the remarkable partnership between humans and the unseen world of microbes. Recognizing their contributions allows us to appreciate chocolate on a whole new level and to produce it more consistently and sustainably. This research demonstrates that even seemingly simple foods like chocolate benefit from a deep understanding of microbiology and the interactions between plants and bacteria, ultimately enhancing the taste experience.